Hello sir, good morning. I'm Sam Justin Hernando. In this video, I will be discussing what the presentation is all about. Sailing direction significant in navigation and port approaches. Sailing direction are crucial tools for safe and efficient navigation, especially when approaching post or navigating near coastal. They provide detailed written information that complement nautical chart, including description of coastal feature, navigational hazard, port entry procedure, and local regulation. This guidance help mariners plan their routes more accurately and avoid potential dangers such as shallow water, strong current, or restricted area. Sailing direction publication. Sailing direction are essential nautical publication that provides comprehensive information to support safe and efficient maritime navigation, particularly during coastal voyages and port approaches. They published by National Hydrographic Office such as the United Kingdom Hydrographic Office and the United States National Geospatial Intelligence Agency, and are available in both paper and digital formats. What do they include? Local maritime regulation and communication, description of the coastal landmark, coastal feature and water depth, port and harbor details, facilities, entry procedures, berthing. Why sailing direction is important? Sailing direction are crucial for safe navigation, helping sailor avoid hazards like rock and reefs. They optimize routes, minimizing travel time and fuel use. Compliance with maritime regulation, detailed in direction, is vital. Understanding local conditions enhance situational awareness and emergency preparedness. Ultimately, sailing direction ensure safe and efficient voyage. In summary, sailing direction are indispensable tools for mariners, providing critical information that enhance navigational safety and efficiency, particularly during coastal navigation and port approaches. Explanation: sailing direction are essential nautical publication that provide detailed information to mariners about coastal navigation and port approaches. Publisher: National Geospatial Intelligence Agency, NGA, United Kingdom Hydrographic Office, Admiralty Sailing Direction, other National Hydrographic. Contents of sailing direction: chart and chart list. Reference the relevant nautical chart and smaller scale charts needed for navigation in the area. These are essential for visual planning and position fixing. Coastal feature: detailed description of coastal feature including landmark, bays, inlets, cape, and island. This information aids in visual identification and position fixing. Navigation hazard: clear identification and description of navigational hazard such as rock, reef, shoal, wreck, and their obstruction. Deep information and warning about dangerous area are crucial. Aids to navigation. Details about all navigational aids, including lighthouses, buoys, beacon, and other aids, providing their position, characteristic, light pattern, color, and purpose. Anchorage and berthing information. Description of safe anchorage and berthing facilities within port and harbor, including details on depth, bottom condition, and any restriction on berthing. This is vital for planning safe mooring. And that's all, sir. Thank you, sir.